Hello friends. Welcome to our channel where we explore the financial secrets of the world's richest and most influential people. Today we have an exciting topic. Where do billionaires spend their money? You've probably always wondered what extravagant purchases and investments billionaires make when they have fortunes in their pockets. Watch this video to the end to find out what projects and passions the richest people on the planet invest their billions in. We'll tell you about luxury cars and yachts, unique art collections, charitable foundations, and even how billionaires strive to change the world. Don't miss your chance to get a glimpse into the world of the financial elite, and learn how they spend their money on their way to even greater wealth and influence. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the fascinating investigations into the financial secrets of billionaires. And let's get started right after a short commercial break. All the time wondering how to earn your first million and where to invest? There is a way out. Bybit is the best platform for trading and investing in digital assets. And by promo code under the video you will get your first $1,000 for registration. Have time to register, and we begin. Chapter 1: Billionaire Luxury Shopping. Traveling for billionaires isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's the true art of luxury and comfort. In this chapter, we will delve into the world of yachts and airplanes that have become symbols of status and privilege. Yachts. For billionaires, a yacht is not just a vessel, it is a movable luxury dwelling. Many billionaires own huge superyachts equipped like five-star hotels. Inside you'll find bedrooms, restaurants, spas, swimming pools, and even garages for water toys. These floating palaces allow billionaires to explore the most remote and beautiful corners of the world in unparalleled comfort. Airplanes. Billionaires are not limited to regular airplane tickets. They own their own private jets that give them complete freedom of movement. These planes can be true works of art, with expansive lounges, restaurants, bedrooms, and even movie halls. Thanks to them, billionaires can fly around the world, managing their time and traveling in unparalleled luxury. Our investigations will show you which yachts and airplanes are considered the most luxurious and expensive, and how billionaires make impressive world travels. These magnificent vehicles have become an integral part of their lifestyle and provide them with incredible opportunities to explore and vacation. Cars are more than just a means of transportation for billionaires, they are works of art and technical excellence. In this chapter, we take a look at a few of the most expensive and exclusive cars in the world and find out who buys them. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. This Bugatti is considered the most expensive car in the world, with a price tag of over $18 million. The owner of this luxury car was a famous car collector. Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is an extremely rare car that costs over $3 million. The owner of this car is a British billionaire. Koenigsegg Jesko. This Swedish supercar is worth about $3 million. One of the buyers is an American entrepreneur and car collector. Lamborghini Veneno. The Lamborghini Veneno is a true exclusive that costs about $4 million. The owner of this rare car is a Qatari sheikh. McLaren P1 LM. The McLaren P1 LM supercar is worth more than $3 million. One of the buyers of this luxury car is an American businessman and car collector. These cars are real works of art and a dream of every car enthusiast. Billionaires, having become their owners, not only buy technically perfect cars, but also invest in the legends of the automobile industry. They purchase these cars as a symbol of their status and passion for the global automotive culture. For billionaires, real estate is not just a home, it is a symbol of status, luxury, and investment. In this chapter, we take a look at some amazing estates and mansions owned by billionaires and find out what makes them so unique. Bill Gates Xanadu 2.0. Microsoft founder Bill Gates owns the Xanadu 2.0 estate in Washington state. This home is state-of-the-art, with a huge pool, movie theater, and even an artificial river. Elon Musk's Bel Air estate. Innovator and entrepreneur Elon Musk has purchased a luxury estate in Bel Air, California. This mansion is valued in the tens of millions of dollars and is an example of modern architectural art. Richard Branson's Necker Island. British billionaire Richard Branson owns a private island in the Caribbean Sea called Necker. This luxurious place offers guests incredible views and an opportunity to immerse themselves in exotic nature. Mukesh Ambani's Antilia. The chairman of Reliance Industries, Mukesh Ambani, has a property in Mumbai known as Antilia. It is the most expensive home in the world, estimated to be worth billions of dollars, and offers incredible views and luxury. Jeff Bezos' Medina Estate. Amazon founder, Jeff Bezos, owns a huge mansion in Medina, Washington. This mansion is valued in the tens of millions of dollars and offers sprawling plots of land and luxurious amenities. These properties not only serve as living spaces for billionaires, but they are also works of architectural art. They symbolize the success, taste, and ability of billionaires to create places where they can enjoy life and invite guests. Chapter 2: Art and Collections. Billionaires often share a passion for art, and many have built impressive art collections. In this chapter, we explore how billionaires become collectors and what makes their collections so unique. Pablo Picasso. Several billionaires, including David Notch and Stephen Cohen, own collections of Pablo Picasso's works. These collections include some of the great artist's most famous works. Joffrey Edelman. American billionaire Joffrey Edelman is famous for his collection of contemporary art. His collection includes works by artists such as Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein. Elliot Bisner. Elliot Bisner, the former head of Blackstone Group, is an art sculpture collector. His collection includes works by artists such as Jacques Lipchitz and David Smith. Francisco de Souza Singer. Brazilian billionaire Francisco de Souza Singer owns one of the most impressive collections of contemporary art in South America. His collection includes works by artists from all over the world. These collections become not only status symbols for billionaires, but also important cultural assets. They support and promote art and make unique and valuable works available to the public. Billionaires often act as patrons and benefactors of the arts, supporting art and culture. In this chapter, we look at how billionaires influence the world's art and what initiatives they support. Museums and galleries. Many billionaires fund the construction and support of museums and art galleries. They create places where works of art can be displayed and made available to the public. Art research. Some billionaires fund art research and art history projects, contributing to a greater knowledge of the world's art. Foundations and fellowships. Many billionaires establish foundations and fellowships to help young artists and art researchers develop their talent and careers. Art conservation and restoration. Billionaires also fund projects to preserve and restore works of art and cultural monuments. Arts in education. Some billionaires support arts in education by funding arts programs and schools. These initiatives help to increase access to arts and culture, as well as preserve and promote the arts around the world. Billionaires play an important role in supporting and promoting global culture and the arts. Chapter 3: Travel and Leisure. Let's take the example of a billionaire traveling exclusively, and see what opportunities his status and wealth opens up for him. Travel to Niue Island. One of the billionaires decided to spend a vacation on Niue Island in the Pacific Ocean. For this, he had a private jet rented to take him there. A villa with a private beach and a personal chef was booked on the island. During his stay, the billionaire was able to swim with dolphins and watch whales. Safari in Africa. Another billionaire decided to go on an exclusive safari to Africa. He was rented a private helicopter to view nature and wildlife. He stayed at a luxury boutique hotel where they organized a picnic for him overlooking a herd of elephants. Journey to Antarctica. Another billionaire decided to explore Antarctica. He filmed an exclusive expedition that included a flight on a private jet and accommodation in a special camp for explorers. During the trip, he was able to observe Antarctic fauna and even hiked a mountain. These examples show that billionaires can afford exclusive and unique travel experiences, including private jets, luxury accommodations, and access to places inaccessible to ordinary travelers. Their wealth and status open up a world of opportunity and adventure for them. Chapter 4: Strategies for Ordinary People. The financial decisions of billionaires can serve as an example and source of lessons for ordinary people. Here are some lessons that can be learned from their financial decisions. Invest in a variety of assets. Billionaires usually spread their investments across a variety of assets such as stocks, real estate, bonds, and precious metals. Diversity helps reduce risk and provides a steady income. Plan for the long term. Many billionaires develop long-term investment strategies and stick to them. They know that success in finance takes time and patience. Education and self-development. Billionaires value education and constant self-development. They invest in their education and are always willing to learn new things. Philanthropy and community service. Many billionaires are actively involved in charitable and community initiatives. This is not only a good deed, but also a way to create a positive impact on the world and enhance their reputation. Thrift and cost control. Despite their wealth, billionaires can be frugal and careful with their spending. They know the value of a dollar and keep an eye on their finances. Risk-taking and entrepreneurship. Billionaires often take high risks in entrepreneurship, but they also know how to assess risk and make informed decisions. Inheritance planning. Many billionaires are concerned about passing on their wealth to the next generation and are developing inheritance plans. Investing in themselves. They invest in their physical and mental health, including exercise and self-care. These lessons can help everyday people better manage their finances and build a successful financial future. However, it's worth remembering that every situation is unique and the strategies of billionaires may not always work for everyone. Conclusion: key lessons. Billionaires do have unique opportunities and resources, and their financial decisions can be a source of inspiration for us all. Invest in a variety of assets. Billionaires invest in different types of assets to diversify their portfolio and provide steady income. Long-term perspective. They think about the future and develop long-term strategies, realizing that success takes time and patience. Philanthropy and community service. Billionaires actively support charitable and community initiatives in an effort to make the world a better place. Thrift and cost control. They remain vigilant in managing their expenses, regardless of their wealth. Investing in themselves. Billionaires pay attention to their physical and mental health as well as personal development. Preserving cultural assets. These lessons show that financial success is not limited to billionaires, and each of us can learn from them and apply these principles to our financial goals. It is important to remember that the path to financial well-being requires patience, learning, and a commitment to self-improvement.